What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another motherfucking video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I went from looking dead to looking real freaking cute with these new trendy hair clipping extensions from Mhot Hair. The packaging for this hair is just so freaking cute, and this hair is just an overall game changer. It extended my hair in a very natural and sleek look. It's very soft and very easy to install, and not to mention that it's super affordable. You have these brands that overprice for hair, and unlike those different brands, Mhot Hair is in a reasonable price range. Also, on the tracks, altogether, it was about like 20 to 25 clips included, so that was going to leave me with a thick, full look. And you always want a thick, full look. You don't want it to look too thin, and you don't want it to look choppy either. So that was the next good thing about Mhot Hair. When it comes to hair extensions, it's many ways to style it. You can do a side part, middle part, you can style it. But me personally, I wanted to do a side part. So therefore, that's what I chose to do, especially because I wasn't styling them myself. So, you know, I had to pick one style to show you guys. So I chose the side part, and right here, she's parting my hair and making it blend with the actual clip-in. And as you can see, you can't even tell. Before she decides to install the next clip-in, she teases out the roots of the hair. This makes the hair look more natural, and it also helps for the clip-ins to last longer and for them not to slide. Once she's done tweezing the roots of the hair out, she just slips in the combs into the hair and then clip them together, and it's just easy, just like that. She used 2 clips in the first row, she used 3 clips in the next row, and now she's using the 4 clips. And then once you get to the top, you use the 2, 1, and 3 clips. You're going to want to brush your hair softly and regularly with a soft bristle brush to prevent any tangling and matting. That's the way you will maintain a sleek and silky look with these hair extensions. When washing your hair, you're going to want to wash it with a shampoo specifically made for hair extensions, no salt face or any chemicals like that. And also, you're going to want to use a deep conditioning treatment on your hair extensions at least once a week. This will maintain the softness and the silkiness of the hair as well. Avoid using any heating tools on your hair. If you do use heating tools to say curl it or straighten it, then use it on low heat, and always use a heat protectant on this hair as well. Last but not least, with certain hair extensions you can get in the water, but also with certain hair extensions you can't. Different chlorine and chemicals can damage the hair, so to prevent damage to the hair, make sure your extensions are designed for the water.
Talking way too much, say I should give you up. Can't hear them no, 'cause I've been here all day, and my heart got me walking side to side. I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and my heart got me walking side to side. I give zero.
This hair has changed the game for me tremendously just because it's super easy to install, and I could just get a quick hairstyle with this anytime. I could just change it up freely wherever I please. This light Yaki clip-in hair extensions, which is also Remy hair, has my hair looking so full and so freaking nice. My hair blends really good with it because first of all, the color is matching with my hair to the T. They have different colors that you could also choose from, so if you wanted to match or if you want to do different like highlights in your hair, they have options. This hair makes me feel good and look good due to the fact that I almost thought it was my real hair.
These friends keep talking way too much, say I should give them up. Can't hear them no, 'cause I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and my heart got me walking side to side. I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and my heart got me walking side to side. Yo, it's the new style with the fresh type of flow. 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 It's the new style with the fresh type of flow. New style with the fresh type of flow. Style with the fresh type of flow. It's the new style with the fresh type of flow. It's the new style. Empty my bank account and buy that boy with a pipe. Buy that boy with a pipe. I might empty my bank account and buy that boy with a pipe. Buy that boy with a pipe. I might.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this?
I might.
Put some spotlight on the slide.
So y'all, this is the motherfucking finished product. I had my mama go over with the curls because, you know, the curls just wasn't curling for real. So she went over with the curls, and this is just what it's looking like, and it's so motherfucking cute. Clip-ins is definitely a 10 out of 10. Hair is so freaking soft. so great, everything. Like, they really did. They big women's hair is so freaking soft. It's just, I just need my eyebrows did and some more stuff, but this is a quick little cute little hairstyle. Super easy, super simple, and it's just really giving, like, it's giving natural. It's giving what it's supposed to have a motherfucking get. Like, period. Simple as that. So that was it for this motherfucking video. I hope y'all enjoy all the hair info will be in the description box down below. Make sure you subscribe with that big subscribe button, turn notification bell, all of that good jazz. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.